What is going on, Zakuza fam? This is Majin Zaku coming from Majin Hobby. Majin Hobby, Majin Hobby, Majin Hobby, Majin Hobby, Majin Hobby. Indie Plama. Wait. What is going on, Zakuza fam? This is Majin Zaku coming from Majin Hobby again, and today we got another Dspiae product to look at. This one is the ATHD, which is the aluminum alloy hand drill. On the side, it says that it comes with 10 tungsten steel drill bits from 0.3 mil to 1.2 mil. The handle was made out of aluminum. On the back, the basic information, it's 90 mils long, and I believe that's just the handle. So the blade would add a little bit to it. The box itself is nice. It's the same heavyweight board. It's thick, nice matte finish that I'm a big fan of. Inside, I really like that red too. It's nice. All right, so inside we have an insert that says thank you and a authenticity sticker with the scratch off coating. We have some minor instructions, putting the bit in the front and then tightening the set screw. We have the diagram of the handle, the drill bits, the set screwdriver, and also a spare Allen wrench, which is the same size as the screwdriver, so you can adjust it with either. Now, I will say you can't get much torque out of this little guy. You can get much more torque out of this, but since the handle is made out of aluminum, I'd be afraid of stripping the threads out of the set screw, so be careful if you're really going to torque down on the bit. Alright, to pop this guy out, I've noticed that my fingers are way too big to get in there and to pull it out. Same thing with the screwdriver. So I kind of have to dump everything out. So that's it for the box. Nothing else in there. This is a box of 10 drill bits, micro drill bits. Very tiny. This is the hand drill itself, and this is the set screwdriver, just a tiny hexagon bit, plastic handle. So all of this is aluminum, including the pommel with the bearing in it. I'm not sure if there's a bearing in it, but it sure feels like there's a bearing. I mean, watch this. That really... Can you hear that? It does actually have a bearing. It just snaps on the end. Snaps off again. So there definitely is a bearing in there. Alright, so put the bit in the end. There's no collar in there, or collet. Just sets with the screw. So let's see what that looks like. We'll pop one of these out. This first one is 0.3 mil, 0.4, 0.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 mil, 1.1, and 1.2. Let's just pull out the 1.2, the largest one. Set that inside. It goes all the way down to there. So I would pull the bit out until the taper is just better than flush, and then tighten it down with the little screwdriver. And if, like I said, if you're really to torque on that, you could strip the threads, because I believe this is a steel set screw, aluminum body, and tungsten steel bit. There's an anodized finish on this, red up on the body and black on the pommel. Let's see, what can I drill? What can I drill through? I need to find something to drill through. Hold on. Well, they give us something to drill through, so I'll drill through this. Drill through the case. By the way, these bits are available separately. Same box. It just comes in a different packaging. It comes in a cardboard box, but it's the same set. Exactly the same. So that is available separately. If you are just looking for the bits and already have a handle or don't want this particular handle. All right, I'm gonna drill through this guy. Just start there. Oh. Yep, we're through. So there we go. That's what this guy can do. Any bit that's the same diameter or close to the same diameter will work. The nice thing about these bits, they are labeled. Boy, that's going to be hard to see with this light. Let me see if I can darken that up. So they are all labeled. Most of them are very difficult to read in any lighting because the shafts of these are so reflective. So they are very sharp, very thin. This smallest 0.3 mil bit is, I mean, not much thicker than a beard hair. So you have to be careful with it. I'd be afraid of it snapping off under some sort of torque. So you have to be very, very careful. I'm not even sure what you would use this for, at least in our hobby. But here we go. I'm going to do this again. There we go. So I think that's straightforward enough. Good bits, nice handle. My only complaint about the handle is that it is a bit slippery. I find that it's easy to drop. I have one of these kits from Warrior, I guess. I think I got this at like Harbor Freight. Eighth-inch shank size. What is that? 3.15. But what I wanted to show you is that they do fit in here, and as I said, any bit with a 1/8 or 3.15 millimeter shank will fit as well. So of course we will be offering this soon on the website. As soon as our delivery shows up here in a couple of days, I'll be adding it to the website. So take a look out for this product if you're interested in a new hand drill. And of course, I will see you next time. Stay safe, wash your hands, and follow Indie Plamo on Twitter.